everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation, and as you know, I have long, wavy, curly hair, and I'm glad that I got this from Influenster to try. So it's always good to get something new to try. Now this I opted in because it's for hair. So I read the instructions about this. I want to know how it smells. So it has this little thing. Okay, so I put that over there with the lid. Oh, because I wanted to know what this smells like. It's giving Vanilla Bean Noel with the package. And that's what it smells like. It's vanilla bean. And so you know what I'm talking about. So what I'm going to do is wash my hair. I have to get ready for medical Botox in the morning anyway, so this is a great opportunity to do this so that I can test out this product in my hair. My hair is naturally soft, but this will make it softer and it will bring out my waves and curls even better according to the instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now that my hair is clean, it's time to put the product in. Now you put this in section by section and you can blow dry it or you can use a flat iron. But blow drying I think would bring the curl back fuller, which I'm excited for because I love my curly waves. Only look this way when I brush it out and then it just like poofs back. Well, my hair used to be shorter because of my lineage. No, I had a fro. So you're supposed to take 1 to 2 pumps. That's 1, 2, and take that in section by section into your hair. This stuff smells so good. That's 1 section. And that's really what you do for each section. Now I'm going to finish the sections. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you about doing the sections, you can either do very thin sections or you can do bigger sections. And just make sure that you put that through your hair thoroughly to the ends. That is something important. And now that my hair is dry, look at that. That actually added some volume to my hair. I love that. It's all worked in and dry. I love this. So, Influencer, where you can try good products and test that out. Keep your product and enjoy, because that's part of influencing your own life with Influencer. So stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. I absolutely love this. Oh my gosh, I do. I love this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I just can't believe how much I love this, because like at the bottom, they added more to the, even though it's dried, look at that. That added volume to the curls and waves.